Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Ps5 and signing into the profile that performed the searches. Once signed in, go straight to Settings from the home screen. This central menu controls privacy and system storage. Make sure you're in Users and Accounts so the console shows the right activity. You do this because search activity ties to the active user. Without the correct profile, you won't see the relevant history. Proceed to the next menu to find search and privacy options. Once done, navigate to the sections where search data typically lives. Save data and game/app settings, the built-in browser, or the PlayStation Store's settings. You want to check each relevant app's own history listing because Ps5 separates activity by app. Make sure to open the store and the console browser individually. The store keeps search terms for discovered games, and the browser stores typed queries. If you find a history list, you can scroll entries and note timestamps to understand when searches occurred. To finish, review the listed search entries and either keep them for reference or choose Clear/Delete to remove them. Each app offers its own removal control. Once cleared, restart the Ps5 to ensure changes persist. If search history doesn't appear at all, make sure parental controls or privacy settings aren't blocking activity logs, and verify cloud sync settings aren't hiding local entries. If problems continue, sign out and back in or reboot in safe mode to rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.